All right. Tad later than I would normally be at this time for Sunday night features, but here we are. We made it. And yeah, so let's get to trading. um, this is Ninja Trader. I'm having a tad bit of issue because I thought there was a way to connect more than one Tradeovate account on Ninja, but I'm having a hard time figuring it out. Even though I have all the information in there. So these are just my Apex accounts. When I signed in with the Take Profit Trader account, I couldn't get it connected through here, but I wanted to run Ninja with the Take Profit Trader account because they have order flow enabled for the new Tradeovate prop, whereas Apex doesn't. But I have more accounts at Apex, so I don't know. I got to figure out what's happening that I can't, because when I log into Ninja with the Tradeovate or with the Take Profit Trader information, then like all of a sudden I don't have the Apex Rhythmic account. So I don't know what's going on. Like it doesn't make any sense to me. Um I don't know. I don't know what's happening. It's kind of strange. So if anybody knows, let me know and I'll get it situated. So just kind of, I don't know, it just seems kind of strange that because now you don't need a license, you don't need the license key. Um so I don't know, it just seems kind of strange that cuz you're supposed to be able to connect to more than one Tradeovate account, more than one connection for Tradeovate in Ninja Trader, but it's not working right. I mean, if I can't figure it out, I guess what I could do is I could put and I might do this, I could just run the Apex Ninja or Apex Rhythmic accounts. Lord, I'll get it right in a minute. The Apex Rhythmic accounts into Quant Tower and then just run all the Tradeovate accounts with Ninja, with Take Profit Trader through Ninja. Because the reason I wanted to do the Ninja or the Take Profit Trader accounts in Ninja was so that I could see that order flow. If Apex would just get on the board and get with the Tradeovate and Ninja Trader prop, then I would have the order flow and yeah. But I bought the Take Profit Trader account for two reasons. Number one, the daily payouts once you're over the buffer, and then also because I could see the order flow in Ninja Trader. I don't know what the solution is. I might just go with what I said so I can see the order flow, use the um use the Take Profit Trader and with the Apex Tradeovate accounts, um so I can see that order flow that way, log in with the Take Profit Trader login so I could see the order flow. I don't know. It just seems I'll figure it out. I'll figure it out soon. Because I also bought the Affordable Indicators trade copier and I bought, it's for Ninja Trader because I didn't want to use the Trade Sinker um and pay a monthly fee. So I spent the money for the Affordable Indicators one for Ninja Trader so that I could use that trade copier in Ninja. Like it's oh my gosh. I'm trying to simplify everything here, not make it more complicated. And yeah, so far it's not working out as I had planned. But I know you can connect more than one Tradeovate account in Ninja. So I don't know if I just don't have the right, like if I'm just not using the right login information. I don't know. It just seems kind of strange that I'm not able to, add that connection to Ninja when I know it's possible. The indicator I had made on TradingView is actually on Ninja as well. So if anybody does want that, just let me know, and I'll be able to grant you access to that. Basically works. It's a math formula, but it basically works like pivots. just chopping around this level right here, so I don't really see anything to do at the moment. The move was right at open. I do have an order to go long down here, around 60, 69, 60, 65 and a half. I'll probably put an order up here to go short, around here, around 69.95 and a quarter as well. If I can get the chart trader to, there we go.
Order
Um,
submitted.
the reason is, um, because during Asia, what I've noticed is a lot of times, with my indicator, it'll stay between level threes. Not always, but a good majority of the time in Asia, it'll stay between those levels. So I'm kind of, I'm just kind of getting to a point in my trading where I want the market to come to me. I don't necessarily want to be reactive all the time. So I want the market to come to my levels, right? And get me in where I want to get in, not necessarily chasing and all those sorts of things. So I really want the market to come to me, and I just find I do much, much better when I do that versus, trying to chase the market and be reactionary with that. So, that said, we did create this mother bar here. This is the hourly chart here on the first 60 minutes. The market really sold off there. Now this hourly seems to be like a TTO, which the strat will call a triangle of the out. It also creates a broadening formation. I'll show you that here. So from here up to here would be your broadening formation here on the hourly chart. If this stays as a TTO for the hour, which more than likely has, because we only got 3 minutes left in this hour. So we're getting ready to start a new hourly here. So this hour also is closing as a doji. Had somebody teach me the way to trade dojis. Was basically when you start coming above the body, you go long. When you start dropping below the body, you go short. But keep in mind that, this is an hourly candle. Also, this is not trading advice, for entertainment purposes only. But that's basically the way I learned how to trade dojis. Guys, Apex is still running their sale, 90% off. I grabbed 5 accounts tonight, or maybe I bought 7. I think I bought 7. Six. I bought 6 accounts tonight. Um, I bought 250Ks, because they're $19.95 if you buy the Trade of 8 ones. And I bought 4 of the 50Ks. So also same price. Um, but yeah, go ahead and grab you some accounts. Use my code Blues Trades. I'll make a whopping $2 off of you tonight for those accounts that you buy using my code. So load them up. Let's go for 2026. But no, in all seriousness, I mean, $20 for an account at Apex is a great deal. So grab you some of those, and yeah, let's make 2026 the best trading year ever. I know it's going to be my best trading year ever. If you do happen to pass those accounts, within a day or whatever, you can get the lifetime fee on those for $65, all the way up to the 100Ks. If you go to the 150s, you will have to pay 125 for those, for that lifetime fee. But still, not a bad price at all for the lifetime fee, especially. My code will also work at Bullinox if you use the option one for the 50K. Uh, that code, or I'm sorry, that sale right now is $15.75. Um, and then it'll also work on Lucid. Lucid, I would recommend the Flex account. Um, that's the only one I'll be buying from now on from them is the Flex account. The Pro is still a pretty good account, but I think the Flex is the best. The great thing about Lucid is end of day drawdown versus intraday trailing drawdown, which Apex, Take Profit Trader, and Bullinox all have. Tradeify, theirs is end of day drawdown. I don't have a code with Tradeify. My funded futures I think has one for end of day drawdown as well. Um, but yeah, that's pretty much everything that's happening there. I am not going to stay on stream long. I am tired. I worked all weekend and it's Sunday night, so want to kind of chill and take it easy. Um, but let's see if they TTO'd right here and they start coming back up through that mother bar. Um, I don't know. It's going to be interesting to see. I'm not hopping in this just yet. Want to get a little more information here and yeah, see how this all plays out. So, but I think this is a chart color I'm going to run with here on NinjaTrader, which it almost seems like their colors are either too bright or too dim. But I think these are the colors I'm gonna run with here on Ninja. Um, seems to be working pretty well for me. So midnight blue there. And then I need to write it down because when I switch, and I think what I'm probably gonna do, like I said, is switch to the Take Profit Trader login information. That way I can get that order flow. Because I really want to see that order flow, and I want to start, trading more with order flow than just candlesticks. So midnight blue, and then medium aquamarine and blanched almond. Lord, what colors? Okay. Yeah, like nothing in my OBS. I don't know. It's not a good night for me for technology wise for some reason here. I can't. Yeah, I'm not logged in. Like I can't see me. People are on the stream. I can see the chat, but I don't know. Just things are things are acting weird tonight on my technology setup. Okay. I think I'm gonna call it a night. Um, May try to do a stream in the morning around, say, like 8:30, 9 o'clock Central. And I'm definitely going to do one Tuesday night. So I'm off work on Tuesday, so I'll do a stream on Tuesday for sure, and be more well rested and that sort of thing. So be more clear, um, have everything ready to go. So all right, I will see you guys Monday morning and Tuesday night. So hope everyone has a fantastic rest of the night, and we'll catch you for the last couple streams of the year, and then we'll be ready to go for 2026. So, all right. Again, feel free to use my Apex, Bullinox, and Lucid Trading code. It is Blues Trades. I'll get you the best discounts at all those firms. So, let's go for 2026. All right. Have a good night. Thank you for tuning in. I know it was a short stream. But yeah, gonna hop off here. I'm a little tired. So, all right, you guys take care and have a great night. Thanks for tuning